Guys, so today we're gonna go storm watching and be at my front patio looking at some storms. So I've got a crazy storm at Colorado, Castle Rock, and we're gonna take a little look. I've made 2 other storm shorts. Check that out on my YouTube channel. Holy crap. Family friendly, so I'm not gonna curse. Make sure to go check out those other 2 videos if you haven't, or they're shorts. So just enjoy while I capture some thunderstorms. And I'm not gonna go wow or whatever. Better place. Why is it so foggy? Hold on. There we go. Whoa. Storm watching's fun, bro. Trying to make it focused. Okay, there. It's not focusing. Hold on. Sorry about that. Patience, please. I'm gonna wait until it's 3:30 minutes, then I'll end the video. So, patience, please. Ooh. Let's go. Come on. Some crazy ones after part 2 that I missed and I didn't record. Sorry, I couldn't show you guys that. Woo! Now that's a good one. Some terrible quality on my phone. Sorry about that. Tree looks so dead. Ugh. Okay, so that's all for now. Goodbye, everybody. Please consider subscribing.